We are pleased to show you the 2025 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, navigation system, LED headlights, traction control, stability control, power lift gate. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.